Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. My name is Kalpana. Today I will be presenting my project on Goodcabs transportation trends and insights. I would like to start by expressing my gratitude to Dhaval Patel sir, Hemanand Vadvel sir and entire Codebasics team for providing this wonderful opportunity through the Resume Project Challenge. To start, let us understand why understanding the transportation trends and insights is essential for Goodcabs. In a competitive and dynamic market, understanding the factors that influencing the customer behavior, operational efficiency, and overall performance is helpful to make better data-driven decisions. Coming to the agenda of this presentation, introduction, key metrics overview, data model, primary questions, secondary questions, dashboard, key insights and recommendations. Coming to the introduction, Goodcabs is a growing cab service company in India focusing mainly on Tier 2 cities. Our mission is to support local drivers, offering them a sustainable livelihood while delivering excellent services to our passengers. Coming to the key metrics, to measure Goodcabs performance, we need to track the key metrics like total trips, revenue performance, and customer satisfaction, repeat passenger rate, and also focusing on the operational metrics like average fare per trip, average fare per kilometer, average trip distance, and also understanding the balance between the total new repeated passengers is useful to analyze the growth and customer loyalty. Coming to the data model shows the how the data is structured and interconnected. City specific data also plays a crucial role, allowing us to tailor strategies for each location based on city demographics and seasonality trends. Coming to the primary questions, identify the top 3 and bottom 3 cities by total trips over the entire analysis period. Here, this ribbon chart shows the top 3 cities by total trips over the entire analysis period. This ribbon chart shows the bottom 3 cities over the analysis period. Top 3 cities are Jaipur, Lucknow, Surat. Bottom 3 cities are Mysore, Coimbatore and Vishakhapatnam. And let us coming to the second question. Average fare per trip and average trip distance by city. This visual shows the highest average fare per trip is in Jaipur and lowest average fare per trip is in Surat. Coming to the third question, average ratings by city and passenger type. This visual shows the average passenger rating and driver rating in each city for new and repeated passengers. Mysore, Jaipur, Kochi showing the highest ratings and Surat, Lucknow, Vadodara having the lowest ratings. Coming to the fourth question, peak and low demand months by city. This visual shows the peak and low demand months in each city. In most of the cities, May and April are peak demand months, June is the low demand month. Coming to the fifth question, weekend versus weekday trip demand by city. This visual shows the weekday and weekend trip demands in each city over the entire analysis period. Weekday trip demand cities are Lucknow, Surat, Chandigarh, Vadodara, Vishakhapatnam, Coimbatore and Indore. Weekend trip demand cities are Jaipur, Kochi and Mysore. Weekday trip demand cities are business focused cities. Weekend trip demand cities are tourism focused cities. Coming to the sixth question, repeat passenger frequency and city contribution analysis. This visual shows the repeat passenger frequency in each city. This tree map shows the each city contribution in repeat passenger rate. Jaipur having the highest repeat passenger count and Mysore having the lowest repeat passengers. Coming to the seventh question, monthly target achievement analysis for key metrics. This visual shows for monthly target analysis for all the key metrics in each city over the entire analysis period. Here green icon shows the above the target and red icon shows the below the target. Here this table represents the target analysis for all the months. This table shows the target analysis for all the cities. Business cities successfully reached their target for new passengers, while tourism cities achieved their targets for ratings and total trips. Coming to the eighth question, highest and lowest repeat passenger rate by city and month. This matrix shows the highest repeat passenger states, cities and lowest passenger rating cities. Repeat passenger rate is high in May month and low in January month. Top 2 cities by repeat passenger rate are Surat and Lucknow. Bottom 2 cities are Mysore and Jaipur. Coming to the secondary questions. Question 1. Factors influencing the repeat passenger rate. Quality of the service means driver behavior, vehicle maintenance, cleanliness, and punctuality influence the repeat passenger rate. Competitive pricing, affordability, and value for money can increase the repeat usage, but premium pricing in cities like Jaipur is justified by higher quality. City demographics are also influence the repeat passenger rates. Like business hubs have high repeat rates due to daily needs, whereas tourism-centric cities face more seasonal demand. Fleet availability and seasonality of the demand also influence the repeat passenger rate. Coming to the second question, tourism versus business demand impact. Tourism seasons having high demand during peak seasons and low demand off season offset by local events. Local events, festivals, fairs, conferences create spikes in demand for tourist transport. Strategies for these places are promotions, partnerships, and customized packages. Business demand impact is higher demand on weekdays focused on commuting, meetings, and airport transfers. Local business events like conferences and trade fairs increase need for group or corporate transfer. Strategies for business demand cities are corporate partnerships, loyalty programs, and event based marketing. Coming to the third question, emerging mobility trends and good caps adaptation. Investing in electric vehicles and green energy usage reduce the operational cost and also attract the eco-conscious customers and also differentiates the good caps from other competitors. And investing in shared mobility and ride pooling and leveraging the digital platforms are also increasing the customer experience. Goodcap should consider integrating electronic vehicles and eco-friendly initiatives to stay competitive, especially in Tier 2 cities where sustainability is becoming an increasingly important factor for consumers. Fourth question, partnership opportunities with the local business. Partnership opportunities with the event venues, halls, and malls increase the trip volume, attract the repeat passengers, enhance the brand visibility. Coming to the fifth question, data collection for enhanced data driven decisions. To make good camps more data driven and improve key metrics like repeat passenger rate, customer satisfaction, and new passengers, it's essential to collect the comprehensive data across several areas. This includes the customer behavior data, means customer age, gender, location, and income of the customer. Operational efficiency data, vehicle performance, vehicle maintenance, driver efficiency, and market trends data. Competitor performance data means reviews, pricing, and also other market trends data such as local events data, economics trends, and advanced analytics for predictive insights. To the ad hoc request, business request 1, city level fare and trip summary report. This table shows the total trips, average fare per kilometer, average fare per trip, and city percentage contribution for each city. Coming to the business request 2, monthly city level trips and target performance report. Here, this table shows the in city level trips target performance in each month over the entire analysis period and also shows the performance status, either achieving the target or not. Coming to the business request 3, city level repeat passenger trip frequency report. Here, this visual shows the repeat passenger trip frequency report for each city. Coming to the business request 4, cities with the highest and lowest total new passengers. Here, this table shows the top 3 and bottom 3 cities by new passengers. Top 3 cities are Jaipur, Kochi, Chandigarh, and bottom 3 cities are Surat, Vadodara, Coimbatore. Coming to the business request 5, identify the month with highest revenue for each city. This visual shows the each city with the highest revenue. Coming to the business request 6, repeat passenger rate analysis. Here this table shows the repeat passenger rate in each city over the entire analysis period. Coming to the live dashboard. This is the live dashboard of Goodcabs transportation trends and insights. I created a 4 dashboards for this getting these insights: overview, geographical insights, passenger insights, and time-based analysis. Let us start with overview. Overview dashboard shows the overall transportation trends and insights based on total trips, revenue, and average rating. Here, left side menu bar for page navigation and also filter pane. And also here mention the all the key metrics: total trips, total revenue, average fare per trip, average trip distance, average fare per kilometer, repeat passenger rates. Here revenue performance, total trips performance, and average rating. Then coming to the geographical analysis, this dashboard shows the average fare per trip and average trip distance by city, new and repeat passengers rating. Here this matrix show applying the conditional formatting by using icons. Here repeat passenger percentage by city and trip count. Coming to the passenger insights, here shows the this line chart shows the new passengers by month and repeat passengers by month. This matrix shows the repeat passenger rate by city and month. This donut chart shows the repeat passengers and new passengers ratio. This column chart shows the top two cities by repeat passenger rate and bottom two cities by repeat passenger rate. Coming to the time-based analysis, in time-based analysis, trends and target analysis. Trend shows the monthly trends for all the parameters, means total trips by city, total fare by month, average driver and passenger rating by month. Here this bar chart shows the total trips by day type, total fare by day type, average passenger rating by day type, and average driver rating by day type. Coming to the target analysis, this target analysis, this status bar shows how much target is achieved and how much is remaining to achieving the target. Here red icon shows the metric is not achieving the target, green icon means achieving the target. This matrix visual shows the overall target analysis for all the target metrics in each city over the entire analysis period. On to the key insights. Trip volume and revenue. Peak months are February and March, and Jaipur, Kochi, Chandigarh generate the highest revenue. Repeat passengers are high in Surat and low in Jaipur. New passengers are high in January and February, declining in May and June. Fare and trip distance is high in Jaipur and low in Surat. Ratings. Jaipur, Kochi, Mysore having the highest customer rating, while Lucknow, Surat and Vadodara having low ratings. Weekend versus weekday trends. Tourism cities have high trip volume on weekends, while business cities have high trip volume on weekdays. Repeat passenger rates peak in May and June. Cities' performance against targets. Business cities met passenger targets but missed trip volume and rating targets, while tourism cities met trip targets but rating were below the target. Coming to the recommendations, quality. Improve the service quality by addressing the complaints, dynamic pricing strategy, optimize fares based on demands and city demographics and competitor pricing, and enhance the customer retention by conducting the loyalty programs and improve service offerings, and expand fleet. Integrate eco-friendly vehicles in high-demand, environmentally conscious cities. Leveraging seasonal trends. Prioritize marketing and promotions around peak months and weekends in tourism cities. Tailored city-specific campaigns. Customize strategies based on city-specific behaviors to maximize trip volume, revenue, and repeat passengers. Finally, maintaining the consistent high-quality standards, increase the repeat passengers, and also improve the revenue. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please provide your feedback and suggestions.